Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so part 3 of the build of the POIZD T3 was supposed to be the paint job, but I screwed it up, so we're not going to do that one. Anyway, this is going to be a run video and an overview, and I got another body all cut up, ready to go. Paint job on this one is kind of trash, but we'll use it as a running body, and that one we'll do a video on coming up a little bit later. But let's get the hood off. Anyhow, quick overview. You guys remember the build from last week before, coming out 4.2 pounds. We got the Deluxe Fab Nod 2R transmission, the Black Jacket Outrunner 3 Bros Racing motor in there, the Reefs Operation Charlie Raw 500 in black and gold up front with the 110 scale Boco behind the axle servo mount that also gives us the 4-link in it. We got the TNT links from Tom Higgins in there all around. We're also running the Might Chew skid plate and the carrier bearing in the back. We got the Wild Boar plastic dry shafts on there holding it down for now, no problems. Castle Micro Mamba X ESC and a 3-channel Spectrum SR315 receiver. Tires and wheels, we've got the Vanquish method. I think they're 109s or something. I should really learn what all these numbers are for the wheels that I love so much. But anyway, they're gold. They look great. We've also got the Scarn and Karn and Scar. I think there's something like that. Anyway, the really nice add-on outer ring with the. What do you want to call it? Inner ring? Inner ring? Does that make sense? IFR ring. Thank you. So we got the upgraded outer ring. It's got a little more detail on it. We'll get some close-up shots of that after. And we have the, I think it's called the Scarn or something like that. Or the Delta? Scarn? I don't know. Whatever. It looks great. Check them out. Vanquish Products, guys. Fantastic. Anyhow, we're running also the Vanquish Products VXT2 tires. I believe these were a red compound or something. Super soft. Their foams are in it, and they're starting to break in and get real soft. We had a lot of back tire spinning, as you'll see in the video. We are still doing a bit of testing and tuning. From the last video, this afternoon after work, I installed the Hot Racing brass knuckles, and those are, what are you guys, 46 grams? 46 grams a piece. So we added those in, gave it a little bit more front weight, and as you'll see in a bit of the running video, it's a very relaxed and calm crawler. Well, not so much. I got a little bit of tuning to do on the ESC. I got to put some Expo on it. She's a little hot and spicy. But for the characteristic of the vehicle itself, it's really, as you would, poised, relaxed. It likes to go up, and if it's not going to work, you can back off, and it relaxes. It comes back down. It doesn't just keep going over and dump backwards. You can put it into some angles that you wouldn't put a normal vehicle into. So that's really cool. Let's take the servo screw is loose there. But yeah, you could throw it into some angles that you just normally wouldn't throw it into. It's so light and open in the rear. It's a lot of fun to drive. We have the Vanquish 80mm shocks on there. We are going to order some of the Deluxe Fabs in gold on there in their shorts with the super soft and the ultra soft springs. But right now we're running, I believe it's the red ones or whatever they are, the super, or the red and blues we have on there right now. And that seems to be working really nice. Very good feel for it. And I think we went with, what, 45 weight oil? 40 weight oil? And 40 weight oil in there. It's giving a really nice flow to it. So, okay guys, check them out. POIZD Crawlers. This is the T3. Join the group on Facebook. Check it out. I'm going to stop talking. Enjoy the crawl footage. Just a quick short video this week. And stay tuned. We got some more parts on order. Some more foams coming from Crawler Innovations. We got some different tires to try. A couple other things to play with. These Hot Racing knuckles, you can add a bit more weight onto them. We are going to buy a 4-corner scale setup so we can actually start weighing this thing out and getting it balanced and dialed into what we want. But anyhow, it's enough me talking. We're going to get out on the trail, a little bit of footage. It's nothing great. There's some good climbs in there, lots of tumbles and blah, blah, blah. Very windy, so really no audio, just some great tunes, and enjoy.